Chasalo Tripura Chakma Student Association is saktharmungbai Astrabol Thong Noklani Shimi Khlaijakha Himbotok Relio Manjaka Bodoni Azukpangyak so Dharmachandra Chakma no khoboi tekobon ozamarok Light hangai 19 te 20 September Shalmario Bangladesh hani Jotogram Amsayo Minority Boshoni Shakawa Soprabjangmani Nate Khadomani Reli Khlaijakha Ashalo Yago placard Rajakhor Agolini Dalbida Lamo Khlaijakha Himbotok Manjaka Bodoni Azukpangyak so Dharmachandra Chakma no khoboi tekobon ozamarok
Protest rally against the discrimination and against the atrocities that has been carried out in Bangladesh against minority, Buddhists and Hindus. So we greatly protest against those discrimination, and it is being systematically dehumanized. The people are dehumanized. There is now at present the situation is it has turned from bad to worse. The situation is extreme. There has been indiscriminate firing where more than 79 people have died. The indigenous people have died, indigenous tribal people, Buddhists and Hindus. So we protest against that, and we want India. We also urge our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Mr. Modi ji, to intervene and save the minorities of Bangladesh. This is they have crossed all limits, and they are trying to grab all the lands from Bangladesh, in Bangladesh from the indigenous communities, and they want to throw out the minorities, the Buddhists and Hindus. So this is a protest, and this is the all limits have been crossed, and we all are united now, all Chakma organizations throughout the world. And also we are urging the Hindu and other minority brothers to come forward and join this solidarity and save the minorities in Bangladesh. And this is what we want, and we want everyone to pass the message, and we want to pass this message to each and everyone throughout the country, throughout the world. And thank you so much. Our demand is to restore peace in Bangladesh, to restore peace and restore all the rights, and to implement the CHT Accord that has been done long ago, but it is not implemented. It is not yet been implemented. There is no peace. All the Muslims come and kill the people. The army has fired indiscriminately, and they have killed so many people, and so many hundreds are missing, and more than 100 shops and houses have been burned. The people are now hiding in the jungles. They don't have places to live. They don't have places. They don't have food to eat. So this is a very critical situation. It's a very tense situation. So we are protesting against this.
Rajakhor Agolini Shimi o Minikokthum Chini Khorang
Osamotani Kakaham Te Hambai Osajora Kakupung Tangthamungbai Baksa Paine Teaching Somno Naitato Kechitu Tishanabagi Ma Kunjochiri Jewelers Eushatri Haika Rangchakni Goina Ganti Shaka Alaida Offer Gram Triki Rangchako Kokni Rajora Kaimung Joto Rangchakni Goina Ganti Shakawo 25% Jora making charge free Abonokari La Kaishani Paimungo Tongnai Alaida Sokat Orono Payako Narotni Bagi Rupaini Goina Gantiwo 100% making charge free O Partnerok Manai October Talmi Shal Naini Simi Chibri Shal Jora Tam Wan Subito Data Ledi Tabuno Faidi Champok Nogoni Ma Kunjoshri Jewelry Phal Nogo Nikuma Ma Kunjoshri Jewelers Champok Nogar Hati Assam Agokola Road Shalthang Tripura Kogbook number 70056587734 Abonukari Taikasha number Tango 700531758